life is a voyage, some people try to avoid it. I seek to try and destroy it. I swear I feel like a toilet, bullshitting on everything I've ever said or I've done. You told me this should be fun, thanks for the talk, are we done? This is my masterpiece, a tragedy, I wrote it myself. It's full of irony and blasphemy, it's practically hell. But the perfect part about it is it's all that I got. I'm over wasting time in life trying to be something I'm not. Cause fuck that shit, yeah, I don't wanna be that kid. No, I'm not gonna hang my head and be another accident. So long to the kid that I used to know. So long to the place that I used to go. I'm not an R.I.P., not another sick, sad tragedy. So long to the kid that I used to know. So long to the place that I used to go. I'm not an R.I.P., not another sick, sad tragedy. Do you ever feel like you're underwater, drowning inside like there's no tomorrow? Life gets tough, but you should know that I don't plan on letting go. Cause fuck that shit, yeah, I don't wanna be that kid. No, I'm not gonna hang my head and be another accident. So long to the kid that I used to know. So long to the place that I used to go. I'm not an R.I.P., not another sick, sad tragedy. So long to the kid that I used to know. So long to the place that I used to go. I'm not an R.I.P., not another sick, sad tragedy. So long to the kid that I used to know. So long to the place that I used to go. I'm not an R.I.P., not another sick, sad tragedy.